welcome back to my channel. So the video that we're going to be doing today is my Boxy Luxe unboxing. As you can tell, it is way bigger than normal. This is the Boxy Luxe edition that I got for December. I've had this for a few days. I've just now found a chance to actually sit down and record. So I just thought I would go ahead and show you all the keys that I've got. Now I have taken everything out of the package and stuff like that, so I know exactly what I've got. I've not used any of it or anything like that. It just would be easier just to take everything out and just to show y'all what I've got. So we'll go ahead and jump right on into the video. Okay, so if you hear my dog is chewing on a bone in the corner,
not anymore.
Well, she's not anymore, but she just got up and stuff like that when I said that. So if you hear something crunching, I promise it's just my dog chewing on a bone. So we'll go ahead and get into the box and stuff like that. This is so it's quite bigger than the last one that we normally get, which is every monthly. I don't know how much this is. I will put that down below and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is what this box looks like. Of course, it says Hello Charmer, like it does every month, and this is what it looks like right here. I do have it covered up. So we'll go ahead and get into all of the items in here. Oh, okay. My son just caught me mid-yawn there. Sorry about that. So the first thing that I'm going to be pulling out is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Go ahead and pull it out. If you see me reaching to grab something, it's the box I've got balanced on one leg. It's kind of awkward, but I'm going to try to work with it. So this is what one of the first items we did receive, or I received, is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadows. This is the Holy Grail one. This is really, really gorgeous. As you can tell, there is the colors. Let me see if I can get this right here. Oops, okay, we're going to do it like this. Nope, okay.
Wait, what is that again?
This is the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Okay. And this is what the colors look.
Is $45.
Okay, so the price for this right here is $45. Zoom in. Okay, pause. So apparently my son spent 5 minutes over there laughing because he zoomed in too much, and I said, oh my god, it makes me look good. I've got a double chin. Anyway, here is the colors. I decided to do a little closer for you all. So there is the colors. I'm trying to, there we go. So as you can tell, they're really pretty. They're like neutrals and stuff like that. The one that I really like is the Wine and Dine. Where are you at? Right here. This is one of my favorite colors in this palette. I already have this palette, so most likely I will probably get rid of it. No, you're fine. Just go ahead and pause it and zoom out. So since I already have this palette, I probably will go ahead and get rid of it. Probably pass it along or sell it. I'm not for sure, since I already have it and stuff like that. So I am very happy with the one that I have. I'm not going to keep back up of it or anything like that because I already have one. But this is $45. It's a really, really nice palette. I mean, it blends really good. It's really nice. But again, I already have it, so I'll just probably pass it along. Okay, so the next item that I'm pulling out is the Glam AF Bracelet Bag. You can see it like this right here. It is simply just a bag. And here is the inside of it. It's a pretty good size bag.
It comes with a portable charger. And
it also did come with a portable charger. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. It says it's Crimes of Beauty. Here is the portable charger. My husband went ahead and put the charger in it and stuff like that because you do have to charge this first, and then you can charge whatever. And if I'm not mistaken, you can also
you can charge like your.
You can also charge like your phone and stuff like that because it does have the top. I honestly did not know how this worked or anything like that, but my husband got to messing with it and he pulled this right here up. So on the side of it, it does have this right here. And all you've got to do is just pop that out, and this should fit like a phone or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in, but you do have to charge this before you use it, of course.
And the price of it is $22.
And the price of this and the wristlet was $22. Okay, so the next one is going to be the Luxe Complete Face Brush Set. Ooh, okay. Let's just move that right there for now. So this is a complete Luxe Face brush set. You do get it's a rose gold, so I love this. It's really, really pretty. You do get the round top blender, the tapered highlighting brush, the precision. Then you get the tapered blending, the eye shader, the flat definer brush, a brow and slash spoolie, and a lip brush. It is cruelty free. This is the complete set. Again, I really, really do enjoy these brushes. They're really super pretty. I do have a few of their brushes already, and they're really, really good. So I am going to be keeping this, and the value of this brush set by Luxe
is $65.
Is $65. So you get a really, really good deal for this. Okay, so the next item that I'm pulling out is going to be my Wonder Beauty Wonderness Dusk Till Dawn palette. That's what the packaging looks like. I love this. The back of it is super, super pretty, and so is the front, as you can tell. And then, this is a blush and highlighter palette, so I am going to go ahead and open it up. That is what it looks like. It does have the colors. Oh, crap, I'm just trying to get. Well, I'm trying to. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Let me get this fixed right here. Okay. Here we go. So, it does have the color Tuscan Sunrise right here. It does have Havana Nights right here. And then City Lights right here. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on back so you all can see that without me blinding you. So that is what it looks like right there. I'll move my hands. And you can, it does have a nice size mirror too. And this is, how much?
$26.
$26 for this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is a straightener. It's the mini straightener. Honestly, I cannot remember the brand of this. What's the brand?
PYT.
Okay, so this is a mini straightener brush by PYT. It is very thin and very small. It is a mini straightening brush. How much is this?
$75.
Okay, so this apparently is $75 for this little bitty thing. But I mean, it'll come in handy because, you know, I do have like some hair and stuff right here that is flyaway. So it will be really good to get in there to my baby hairs and stuff like that. But I really do have thick hair, so honestly, I wouldn't even try to use this on an everyday base to get all of my hair straight or anything like that, because my hair is really thick and really coarse, and it is not really long, but it is quite long. If you can see right here, it is down way past my shoulders, so it is quite long, quite thick, and quite coarse, and it's also a mix between curly and wavy. So I have to have a really, really good straightener to get in and get everything straight. As you can tell right now, I straightened my hair this morning, but it's already started to wave and stuff. I was out in the rain, so that could be the reason why. But honestly, I probably would just use this to get like the baby hairs like here on the side of my face. I do have some bangs over here that has grown out. So I probably would use this for that, but I wouldn't even attempt to get all of my hair with just this little thing. But this is $75, so I'm going to try it out and see what I think of it. If I don't like it, I can always get rid of it. So, you know, we'll try and see. Okay, so for the next item that I am pulling out of my box, it is the Elemis, I think it's Tiger Set, I'm not really for sure, Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is anti-aging. It is an anti-wrinkle day cream. You do get 1 fluid ounce of it. This is what the box looks like. I did keep this in the box simply because it would be easier to know what it is. And as you pull the packet, the
cream out,
Okay, I have to edit that out. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's really super pretty. And when you open it up, it does have the lid, and then you have my son. Okay, so I'm going ahead and I'm pulling this off for the first time. Oh, ooh, no, here. Okay, get that.
What it looks like?
That is what it looks like. My son is helping me film this because I am sitting a little bit further from the camera. Ooh, it smells really good. Now this is a, give me that. I can't remember what I said it was. I'll go ahead and put this lid back on too. Okay, so this is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It is an anti-wrinkle day cream. It says that it reduces the appearance of wrinkles and improves skin's firmness. It says that you apply every morning to cleansed dry skin.
Ready for the price?
And how much is the price?
$89. $89.
For this? Y'all, that's better snatch my waist.
89.
For 89 bucks? A cream. Okay, I wouldn't pay that much for it. But I'm going to try this out since I did receive it and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to see how this works on my skin, since I do have very dry skin, dehydrated skin and stuff like that. So I will let you know how this works. Okay, so the next item that I received is going to be the Spongel. I don't know how you say that word. Blossom Bliss Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is what the body
Body wash looks like.
This is what the
Tang looks like.
Okay, so this is the multi-use thing. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box. As you can see, the packaging is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box right now and show it to you all. So this smells really, really amazing. It says that it's a body wash and buffer. It's been Okay, so this says that it is a body wash buffer and it's also dermatologist tested. It is a built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. The directions on this is to place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to clean skin, squeeze out excess water after each use.
It feels a little bit soft right there. Like on some parts, like on the outer edge of it.
Oh my god, that really smells amazing. So, this was, how much was this?
$20.
Oh, that's not bad. So this was $20. I've never heard of the brand before, so I'm really excited to use this. You do get, it's a 3-ounce product. So we will see what we think of this. Okay, so the next item that I have is the Tarte's Lip Paints by Tarte.
Glitter.
I'm sorry, it's the Glitter
Lip paint.
Lip Paint
By Tarte's.
by Tarte. And the color
is...
So I think this is in the color Stripe, but I'm not 100% certain because it doesn't say on the pamphlet. And the writing is really small, and I don't have my glasses. But I'm pretty sure it's Stripe Gold. I will have the name of it and stuff like that below for you. That way you can, so that way you all know the name of it. And this goes for the price of
$20.
$20, which is not bad. That's most of their items and stuff like that. So I think this is really pretty. It is a gold color that you can layer over any lip color or wear alone. So I'll probably be using this in a upcoming video where I will do a Christmas look for you all. And I think this is really stunning. Okay, so the last... Okay, and the last item that I received is going to be the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade Mascara. This is in the color black. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really, really pretty. I've never tried any of Lorac's mascara or anything like that. And it has a very strong smell. So this is what the brush looks like right here. I swear, one of these days, y'all, I will get better at this. I promise. So it is really, really, really curved. And this is supposed to be really good too. But again, I've not used it, so I will go ahead and let you all know how I feel about this. But it's supposed to be really good as well. And the price for this is going to be
$24.
$24, which is not bad. I've paid more for mascara from high-end brands and stuff like that. And they really don't do a whole lot of good for my eyelashes for some reason. Either I really suck at applying mascara, or most of them just makes my lashes clump up and stuff like that. That's why I do like wearing my lash extensions, or you know, strip lashes and stuff like that. But I've had a few people tell me that with my eyelash extensions on, they can't tell the difference between a good mascara or not. So I've not put any eyelash extensions on so that I can try some mascaras for you all. But I will eventually be putting the lash extensions on myself, since I do prefer to do it myself. But yeah, that is the last one that we got. So yeah, that is all I received in this month's Boxy Charm, or Boxy Luxe, I'm sorry, because I did get the Boxy Luxe. So yeah, I hope that you all liked this video, and I hope that, you know, that you liked how I done this. Let me know if you want me to do a different style or something like that. I am sitting in a different part of my room with the flowers and stuff behind me. But yeah, I hope that you all really liked the video. If you did or you didn't, let me know what you all think that I could be doing better, or, you know, just give me some hints for whatever you all want to see next. But if you can see, I do have my UK shirt on because I am in the state of Kentucky, and UK is like
University of Kentucky.
Yeah, the University of Kentucky. And we got to support our basketball players here in the state of Kentucky. If you ain't UK, you're a Louisville fan and they suck. So, thank you. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you all will have a great weekend.